Jamaican food. What is breadfruit? The breadfruit is a staple food in Jamaica that looks slightly similar to the jackfruit with a roundish oval shape and lumpy green skin. The tree grows only in warm climate through the Caribbean, the Pacific Islands and South Asia. Their massive tree grow throughout Jamaica, especially at the countryside. The tree can grow up to 32 to 70 feet tall with huge branches. The breadfruit gets its name because of its bread-like texture when cooked. Although it has fruit in its name, the breadfruit is said to be a vegetable and is prepared as such in Jamaica. How to eat breadfruit. This very starchy vegetable can be eaten raw when ripe. It does have a sweetish taste, but the latex that the tree and fruit product gives it a cloying taste. It's not very popular, but the ripe fruit is something uses to make drink. The most popular Jamaican prepare the breadfruit is to cook it. In Jamaica, one of the most popular way to cook the breadfruit is to roast it. We do this outdoors on a wood fire. When roasted, it is commonly eaten with the Jamaican national dish, curry chicken or curry goat, and other side dish for breakfast, lunch or dinner. The roasted breadfruit is fried and eaten with side dish such as steamed callaloo or ackee and salt fish for breakfast. Jamaicans also boiled the breadfruit, sometimes with other hard food or soups. When boiled, it has a potato-like texture and is easily mashed. But Jamaicans mash the breadfruit only when they are going to feed it to babies. The ripe fruit makes lovely fritter because of its gummy texture and sweet taste when ripe. Breadfruits contain more amino acids than soy, making it a great source for protein and more vitamin C than banana. Also packed with carbohydrate from its starchiness, this fruit provides lots of energy to the body. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Facts on Jamaica. The first breadfruit tree. The first breadfruit tree in Jamaica was planted in St. Thomas at the Bath Botanical Garden. The British Captain Cook discovered breadfruit on Tahiti, and his description of the fruit caught the public's imagination back home in England. The first tree in Jamaica was brought to the island from Tahiti by Captain William Bligh in 1793 on the ship HMS Providence. Captain Bligh knew about breadfruit as he had been with Captain Cook on his voyage to Tahiti. Breadfruit is a very versatile food and can be prepared many different ways. Jamaicans eat the fruit at all stages of its development, but it is usually eaten in its mature form, when it is often a substitute for rice or potatoes. Ripe fruits are sweet and are used in pies and cakes. Even the seeds, which are similar to chestnuts, can be ground, roasted, or boiled. Roasted or fried breadfruit is popular in Jamaica.